But first, I need to get out the bird pen so that way I could draw some things. So I'll be right back. Got it! Now time to bring it back to the table. Sharon and Cassidy, meet Bird Pen. Hey there, guys! It's me, Pinky the Bird Pen, and it's nice to see all of you. Hi, Pinky, I'm Minnow, and these are my friends, Minnow, Stilts, Turbo, Snapper, Piggly, Fergus, and Squeaker. And it's nice to meet you. Oh my goodness, that is a great compliment to hear, guys. And by the way, my name is Pinky the Bird Pen. Ladies, why don't you go ahead and visit me and my friend Gilda?
Okay, it's Pinky? Pinky and Gilda. I think you're going to do some drawing, and we're really excited to see that. We can't wait to see some drawing. We want to watch you draw, don't we, Cassidy? Yeah, we sure do, Pinky. And what's his name again?
I'm Pinky the Bird Pen.
Okay, Pinky, we want to see you draw. We're really excited to see you draw. Let's do it.
Okay, here we go.